Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So I have for you guys a new drugstore makeup tutorial. So I thought I'd pick out some things that I already had in my stash and a little bit of others that I've purchased like a couple of weeks ago. But anyway, I am starting off with a primer from Maybelline, and this one is supposed to hydrate your skin, and I'm only going to apply it on my cheeks and just a little bit on my chin. I really love that primer. It reminds me of a Smashbox Primerizer, which I love that one as well, but this one is a really great alternative. So now I am going to start with my foundation, and this one is the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Full Coverage Weightless Weightless Foundation. And I forgot how matte it was. I guess that's the reason why I haven't used it in a long time, because it was just a little bit too matte for me despite me moisturizing and all of that. So I tried to pat it down. I noticed that it goes a little bit better with dry skin when you pat down matte foundations. So I went ahead and applied some concealer, and this one is from e.l.f. and this one is the hydrating. There's two types. There's just the regular matte, and then there's the one I'm using, the hydrating cameo concealer. And I'm just blending that with a damp beauty sponge. I really like that sponge from La Creme Shop. And I'm just blending all of that away. I kind of noticed right there and then that it was a little bit too light for me. So I did apply the L'Oreal concealer that you see right here, just to warm it up a little bit. I don't think it helped that much, but I tried. It's a little bit hard to pick concealers. I don't know why, at least for me. So now we are taking a shimmery shade, and that one is from L'Oreal, and that one is a classic in Ice Latte. And I'm using this, Wet n Wild brush. I love those pink brushes, and I'm just patting that on my eyelid. Now I'm taking an eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. It's the Opposites Attract, and I am taking that medium brown shade all across my eyelids. Of course, I'm using the brush for both of my eyes to blend that, but then I decided that I'm not going to use a second eyeshadow because the concealer was pretty light, so I just went ahead and just blend the color right on top, well, under my brow bone area, just to give it a little bit of a blend. So now I am curling my eyelashes, and I'm taking this really nice mascara from Rimmel, and I smelled it because I had a bad experience a couple of years ago where I used a expired mascara. I didn't know it was expired, and it gave me a bad rash, and I don't know why ever since then it really stuck with me that I smell my mascara before I apply it on. But let's go ahead and continue. So I am putting on this highlighter, this liquid highlighter from Neutrogena that I just got on clearance at Walmart for like $1.99. As y'all can see, I was kind of shocked that I thought it was pigmented, but once I started blending the cream, the highlighter cream, it wasn't that bad. It just looked a little bit bronzed and not exactly meant for a highlighter for my skin tone, but I sheared it out after I had a drink and calmed myself down. So now I'm going to apply a blush, a really pretty blush from the brand Essence, and it's called All You Need Is Pink. And I am cleaning all of that blush with the Cameo concealer with a flat brush, as y'all can see, and just blending it all over, just to give it a nice little touch right there. So now I am starting with my eyes. I thought I'd give it a little bit more of a definition by applying a brown eyeshadow pencil. And the one that I'm using is from Rimmel, and it's called Bootleg Brown. And I am just smudging the bootleg brown color with a pencil brush. So the same thing right there on my other eyelid. And I thought it was really nice. And I just wanted some kind of oomph since I didn't put any false lashes. So now I am applying my lip gloss choice, and the one that I chose was the one from the brand Revlon, and this is in the color Black Cherry. I love Revlon lip glosses. I think they are some of the best at the drugstore. They do have a bullet lipstick in the same shade, but I thought I'd just go a little bit more, I guess, natural, youthful, I guess, by putting on a lip gloss instead. And I really love those. They just seem so nice and moisturizing. And as y'all can see, I was a little bit torn between what setting spray I wanted to use, but I went ahead and just applied the one from NYX, the Dewy Setting Spray. And then I started trying to dry it out a little bit more with the little fan that I had there. And that is the final result, guys. It's just a regular but classic eye look drugstore. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below what are some of y'all's favorite drugstores, and if y'all have been playing with your collection during this crisis. I am praying for you guys every day. Take care.